Okay guys, I'm so excited. I'm about to spend a weekend at the Plaza. Y'all know the Plaza from Home Alone 2. I've never seen Home Alone 2, so I need to actually watch it. I'm really excited to go to tea time tomorrow, and my manager is gonna come. We're gonna do some content, and I just wanna experience, there's so many different rooms and restaurants and all that good stuff. So I'm really excited to check it out. I'm gonna be showing you guys the whole entire Plaza, and I'm so excited for this weekend. So join me. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And this is definitely my favorite part of the whole entire suite. There's the toilet. This is like the bougiest toilet I've ever seen with gold handles. And the shower. Are you kidding me? This is so pretty. All right, guys, this is the prettiest bathroom I've ever seen. Look at this. Guys, this is the most beautiful hotel suite. It's the penthouse suite at the Plaza. It's stunning. We've had a really wild day. I didn't get to vlog earlier, so I'll update you guys. We're gonna do dinner tonight and then spend the next 2 days here. We're going to dinner. The shirt is from ASOS. It's a petite top, 00. A little bit tight on the girls, but I'm wearing hot pink Zara heels. I got this bag from Theorite. Sent me this bag, so thank you for this really cute bag. It's gonna be a little deformed tonight because I have a little hairbrush in it, but we're just gonna have to deal. I just gotta fix my necklace. The Dyson Airwrap, if you have bangs, is the vibe. I also heard, well, my friends told me that the shark is just as good, so gotta fix my necklace with some now. It's 6 a.m. Guys, this is so beautiful. I just woke up. We had such a beautiful night. I went to dinner. It's so cold right now, but I woke up so early. I just wanted to show the view in New York City at this morning. My feet are freezing, so I'm gonna go inside. Okay, I am headed over to the Dior store, and then I'm gonna run some errands. This hotel is insane. Headed over to go to Dior, and then I'm gonna do some other fun things for myself. And then Denali comes and we're gonna do a shoot. Guys, this is the most beautiful Essence Hotel ever. This hotel is insanity. I've been wanting these Dior patent leather ribbon heels in black, and every time I go to the Dior store or Saks, they don't have them. So we're about to go to Dior on 5th Avenue and see if they have them. Got them. Yes. Okay, I treated myself to shoes, and I've been waiting for these shoes for a month, and then these really cute CD earrings. The store was so cute. Now I'm gonna go to Bergdorf Goodman because I want to get some Christian Dior makeup. Today's a Christian Dior day. Okay, I just got back. Now I need to eat and then get ready. Okay guys, now I'm gonna unpack. I worked really hard at packing for the Plaza. I got a bunch of stuff from Zara since I am one of the first Zara ambassadors. And I got also things from ASOS Petite. And then this is my favorite dress that I got from ASOS. This is so cute and girly. I thought it was like very Sex in the City. So this is that dress. And then also Sheena, my master tailor, she actually made me this dress bespoke. So we haven't shot it yet. I've had it for a few months. We made it about 6 months ago, and I feel like it's the perfect place to give it the attention it deserves. I got a bunch of blazers, definitely a velvet blazer. At Zara, everything was on sale because they're switching from winter to spring. So everything that I got from Zara is on sale, and it's just going to work up to my benefit because I am an ambassador, so it's kind of perfect. So if you guys want to support me, make sure you shop the link in my bio. I will link all my Zara outfits that I brought to the Plaza. That is why we're here, to have some fun. Manager Janali has been telling me for a year that I need to come to the Plaza and shoot, and we're here now. I also found this really cute dress. Like, this is amazing. My other favorite dress from Zara is this fun one. I thought it would be maybe a little bit tacky, but then I was like, I brought it and I was like, yeah, it's actually the vibe. So, and we're gonna wear this one with my Christian Dior mules. And then I got these really cute CD earrings as well. So I'm excited. We're at the Plaza. Okay guys, I'm going to unbox my Dior bags. My babies that I've been wanting for months, they're finally here. I got the size 5.5. They're patent leather in black, and I love the Christian Dior detailing, the lace that says J'adore Dior, and then also the star emblems, and you can just see the gold Christian Dior in the insole. I am in love, and I feel like these, you know, they were $990 plus tax, so it was like $1,100. They're just gonna be a heel that I have for the rest of my life because they're timeless. They're also a low heel. They come in a lower as well, but I did the mid heel, and I just was like, okay, I'm gonna have these for the rest of my life. The box and the detailing in the box is incredible. As you can see, I'm at 35.5. That means like I'm like a 5.5. And then the bag, I'm obsessed. Christian Dior is definitely one of my favorite top brands. So pretty. And then I got the CD gold with crystal earrings. I'll open those up as well. Well, I just unboxed my Dior earrings too. I was obsessed with them. Make sure that you watch my unboxings on TikTok and Instagram at Natalie Negrotti. Now I'm gonna put my CD earrings in. I was really confused at the store. I showed you guys, I was like, do I get the all gold ones or do I get the gold and rhinestone one? And I felt like this one would be perfect because I could wear it with gold and silver, so it's a little more versatile. We're still not done shooting, and then I have a massage appointment at 4:45, so the festivities have not ended. I really love these. I love them. I'm just obsessed with this packaging. This was perfect, and if you guys ever go to the Plaza, it's perfect because Dior is right across the street. It's like 2 steps away, and Bergdorf Goodman is also 2 steps away. So make sure you check out the stores like 5th Ave. We're on 5th Avenue, so all the luxury stores are around here. I had the longest day shooting. My IBS just flared up, not good, but we are at Del Frisco's. It's my first time here. I am going to order the blood orange spritz and then the bacon. Y'all know me as being a vegan, but I started eating meat again. My diet consists of about 80% vegan food, and then the rest will be meat products, which, you know, I still decrease my meat intake, but I'm eating meat again. Anyways, I will let you guys know how dinner goes. This looks insane. We're about to go to tea time. I've never had a tea time yet. Well, a fancy tea in New York. So this is gonna be our first. Janali's here. right, it's our last day and this is our breakfast. I'm gonna have some grapefruit. I had to do grapefruit just because it's the experience. I got a little chamomile tea with some oat milk, and then I'm gonna Uber home. I'm so sad. I had the best time ever. Yesterday we had tea time, which was one of the most fun experiences ever. We were laughing really loud, so we did bother other people, but it was our first tea time, so we had to act a little bit ratchet. I had no idea that these little chocolate guys, this was chocolate. Guys, he's made of all chocolate. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. My stay at the Plaza has been the most magical few days. We ended up extending the trip. We're gonna stay here for 2 days, but we ended up staying here for 3 or 4 days. Like, we really extended it. I just had such an amazing time. Like, these are moments that are just such a dream for me, like staying at the Plaza, I have been wanting to do high tea for so many years and no one's ever wanted to do it with me. So this is the year that I'm doing everything that I want to do. I'm gonna live the best year of my life. The fact that I finally got to do high tea, like, that is like, I'm 32 and I've never done high tea. So that was a really big moment for me, and it was so bougie and so cool. I love the little finger sandwiches. It was really amazing, and everything you'd expect from high tea. The Plaza is so beautiful. Like, they have so many different areas. Like, it's just like old school, stunning. I know it was renovated like years ago, and let me tell you, it's stunning. I got to create so much content, so make sure you're following me on Instagram and on TikTok. So we did a lot of content here, so make sure you check it out. But yeah, the Plaza, this is like bougie and old school, like beautiful. The whole entire hotel is decorated so nicely, and we've been staying at the penthouse, one of the penthouse suites. It's 2 floors. This place is insane. We went out to eat to different places. It's just been a really fun time. This has been a perfect staycation for me since I am from here. I'm just excited that I got to vlog all of this and for my memories. I'm sad that my trip has come to an end, but here we are. I have to go home now and get my life back in order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Also, let me know what other places in New York you want me to visit. Los quiero, los amo y los adoro. Ciao.